Here are your rights to know when you're entering the United States at the airport. This is for green card holders, citizens, visit visas, international students, and even people on work visas. First, let's cover for citizens. United States citizens cannot be denied entry into the United States. They have the right to be entered upon without any objections. However, there is something very important for United States citizens. The immigration officer, CBC at the airport, could ask them to go through, let's say, their laptop, their phone, and so forth. You don't have the consent to that search. You can say, no, I don't want to do that. They may hold you up for a little bit, but they cannot deny you entry. You have the right to enter the United States, okay? Don't worry about that for you guys. Now, green card holders, this is for you. It's really important. Immigration officers, I'm hearing reports about different things happening for green card holders, some of them being held, some of them being questioned, some of them being asked to sign documents. First, do not sign anything without consenting an attorney. The second thing is that if they ask you to go through your phone, your laptop, you could say no, but they could hold you in secondary screening for a longer period of time. They could question you longer. But nevertheless, they should allow you entry into the United States because you can't lose your green card status at the airport. It has to only be through a immigration judge, through a proceeding and so forth. But still be careful traveling in terms of what you have on your phone and other things that you're doing. All right. Now, this is the area that's probably most concerning for, let's say, international students, visit visas, people on ESTA visas, work visas, and so forth, because I'm hearing reports and I know I've seen it in the news that they've canceled people's visas and so forth. All right. So for you guys, what's really important is that you don't do anything contrary or illegal or anything that the United States might object to in terms of immigration law. So for example, if you're here visiting the United States, don't make it look like you're trying to turn it into a work visa. If you're on a work visa, be careful in terms of what you do, because there was a doctor whose visa was canceled because of, who she was supporting politically right now in the United States. America is dictating foreign policy, and if you're against American foreign policy, they will not let you into the United States and so forth. All right. Now, other people, let's say ESTA visa and, other types of visitors and so forth, F1 students, be careful in terms of what's going on, because the immigration can ask you to say, hey, we want to go through your phone. We want to go and check your messages. Make sure you don't have anything negative. They could deny you entry if you say, I don't want to do that. If you open your phone and you let them go through your phone, they could check messages and other things that could hurt your case.